What's happening, everybody? It's the holidays and you probably need stocking stuffers, because if you're like me, you focus on the big gifts, but then when it comes to filling those stockings, you're like, I don't know what the heck to do. And you're probably wondering why we're out here. I don't know. I thought it looked better than the inside of my house. So here we are, and we're going to do stocking stuffers. Let me give you my top picks for someone who has the same interests as me. I even brought a stocking. How prepared am I? So my first pick out of the stocking could be a gift all in itself, but these things are incredible. And that is the 4-Season Giver gloves. This is the chestnut color. It's one of my favorite colors. I absolutely love these things. As you can probably see from the stains on them, these are well loved. And what I like about them so much is not only are they great ski, snowboard, outdoors, winter gloves, you can also use them for pulling things out of campfires or off of like hot grills. Like there's a nice little coating, you can kind of hear it in there, that just makes things pretty much fireproof. And these things are awesome. I keep a pair in my Jeep, and I even keep the unlined classic ones in my Jeep as work gloves. But Giver gloves are a great pick for a stocking stuffer or a gift. All right, let's see what's next. All right, this is awesome. We've got a flashlight by Hodo. And not only is it a great flashlight that you turn on, it's got several levels of brightness, but you can also swap modes, and it's got a little shop light that you can turn to brighter, or a flashing red light, or a flashing yellow light. And then it's got this little swivel magnetic piece that lets you clip it to your car. But that's not even all. This thing is just a great piece to have in your car because it also has a glass breaker and a seatbelt slice, so that if you're ever in an accident, you can use this. But this is a fantastically designed flashlight, lots of weight and heft to it, real quality product, so excellent stocking stuffer. Now, this next one is super cool. This is a Lockpicking Trainer set. So if you've ever been interested in lockpicking, and let's be honest, maybe you're like me and you spend hundreds of hours watching The Lockpicking Lawyer, or, you know, maybe you're just fascinated by it. This thing is a see-through lock that shows you what's going on so you can learn to pick your own lock. This is so cool. Like, this is a great gift. Great stocking stuffer. All right, let's see what we got. We're getting down to the bottom of Brent's Christmas stocking here. Oh, this is a great one. We've got the Huckberry James brand Elko pocket knife. This is a great little knife. Like, obviously it's super tiny, but what's really awesome about it is it's tiny. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's great to have for opening boxes and all that kind of stuff. And if you've ever had James brand products, the styling is just incredible. And this one is no exception. So just a great thing to have on you, especially around the holidays for opening lots of packages. I use pocket knives all the time, and having a little one that you don't even notice is great, because when you don't notice it on you, you're more likely to take it with you. All right, we're down to the last thing in my stocking, and that is the Leatherman rebar. A Leatherman is just a great tool to have. It's got everything you need on it, and this rebar one from Huckberry comes in a cool black and coyote tan color. That's just dope as heck. And I mean, you're not gonna go wrong with Leatherman. You got cool little measurements on one side, and then of course you've got all the normal Leatherman things that you would have, that you're used to. And this is just a great tool for someone who likes spending their time out here. Well, y'all, that's all I have for my holiday stocking stuffers pick. I hope it's helped you out, because like I said, if you're like me, this is always a very challenging part of getting gifts for the people you care about for the holidays. And if they share interests similar to mine, these will all be great quality picks that they won't just throw in a junk drawer. They'll just keep these with them. And as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.